This music is there. Please put your hands behind yourself. For buying a table, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for those that are on the table.
For 2019, they tried to buy fuel for mobile filling station, Maryland. Now all these police, they start to the raid. They raid, arrest everybody. That time I was on radio, so I felt I was popular. Everybody were running, I did not run. I said, what's going on here? Just took my ground. One police officer came to me. He said, what are you doing here? I said, I came to buy fuel. He said, so when you saw that people were running, why did you run? I said, I was wondering why they are running. He said, so you want to know? I said, yes. Now I hold my trouser, show me Black Maria across the road. He says, inside that Black Maria, you know why they are running. Move! We take 2 steps forward. And I saw the guy ask me, what do you do? I said, I'm a comedian. I saw the guy laugh. He said, what's your comedy name? He said, I will tell her name like Baba the Baba, Dororo, Basket Mouth, Kofi Dagogo. I said, my name is DPU. Now the second guy slapped me, go! My eye blind. And so they carry me like that, put me inside Black Maria. 5 minutes later, they come meet me. And so the guy asked me again, what do you do? I said, I'm an entrepreneur. This stupid guy won't frustrate my life. He said, where do you pray? I said, anyway. Seriously, I have just 5 minutes, so I'm going to do it rush. How many of you are not say inside traffic? Don't say inside traffic, don't hustle away. You don't say inside, you never say inside traffic. Who don't say inside traffic here? You don't say inside traffic. Tete Abi, I sold inside traffic for like 7 years. Nothing we will not say inside traffic. We say gala, we say ice cream, granite, everything, gala, anything where you want mention, then we say inside traffic. Now Tony, you go carry full gala, person will call you. As you want, just go meet him. You just answer, what do you want? He said gala. As you want, give him gala, motor go take off. The next stop where you go catch him again, at that Maryland under bridge. You run from Anthony, reach Maryland under bridge, you successfully give her 1 gallon. You won't collect money, motor take off again. The next stop where you go catch him now, Ojota. You run from Maryland, reach Ojota. The guy show you 1,000, say, give me change. You won't give her change, motor take off again. You get one day where I push motor reach Shagam. Child! I can't take bus, come back to Lagos, 1, 2. Must be carton of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, I just came here to have fun. Thank you so much. Good night. God bless you.
Distinguished gentlemen,
Oh, boss. After 6 years, when I do event last, people still feel come out like this.
We love you! We love you, Papa!
Come on, put your hands together for this man. Oh, boss. I already come for now. When I don't say what I wear. Not because I don't say what I wear. When I just say, I can't joke. Your father, they don't know anything. Oh, boss. Hey! As I feel like this now, I will tell my truth. I don't blank.
Yep.
Reason why I blank, I will tell now. The hustle, when I hustle to gather this event, it come out my jokes. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. The right and the check me. Are you serious? Do you know what it means for the parish prince of St. Jude? Right, Reverend Dr. Monsieur John Anyego. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrate my daddy. Always supporting. When I clap, we can also clap. Shoot. And the people when I give free tickets, when you make people not tickets, you know the country you are. I'll tell you why. I was almost thinking what happened to my friend during his wedding was going to happen to me on this occasion. Because the sponsorship, man, with this suit. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
This suit, the sponsorship. And then show my sponsor advert when they say, the guy will sponsor me for this suit. You want to clap for the guy, man? Clap for the guy. But the guy almost gave me an attack. 11 p.m. yesterday. I never collect suit. Not a joke. Calm down. What kind of madman did me? I said, calm down. You know, 11 p.m. I never collect suit. Me and this pastor are still they communicate. I'm almost here. Oh boy. Finally, the suit come. Now, when the suit come, fear gripped me. I'll tell you why. My friend, when he won't marry, now his uncle sent a suit from US. But I think that was the most terrible experience that I could ever see in my entire life. It would have been better, maybe the guy just gather money or send them money, make him buy suits of his choice here. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 months to wedding, my guy never see suit. A month to wedding, no suit. 3 weeks, no suit. 2 weeks, no suit. 1 week to wedding, no suit. Give me all these ones then now. People in firing free ticket. I know you, I trust you. 3 days to wedding, no suit. A day to wedding, almost the same thing what happened to me. That happened to my guy. Just a night to the wedding. In fact, he arrived for night. When my guy collect wedding suit, ladies and gentlemen, as he wear the blazer, first thing first we say, blazer, short. Trouser, overlong, with 2 inches. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, women are, industrial, they can classify into so many things, So the guy just brings his
see any tailor now we go arrange the amendment of this trouser. Meanwhile, the handle of this thing as a short can still be used as a style. Ladies and gentlemen, you tell mama, so you try cut out 2 inches, bend down, use needle, keep up. Ladies and gentlemen, as you tell mama finish, you don't go. Mama can say, make me for no forget. Now you tell the younger sister, say, Nkechi, in case I forget to amend your brother trouser, carry scissors, cut 2 inches, come out, bend down, keep. You hear? He say, yes, mommy. That one go tell the senior sister. He say, auntie, mama just tell you say, in case she forget, me too, fit forget. So in case we forget, carry scissors, measure 2 inches, come out for the trouser, bend down, keep. Ladies and gentlemen, this one when they talk, so around 2 a.m. Now your mama remember say, oh, my son trouser, wake up for sleep, you just go carry it, 2 inches, come out, bend down, keep. Around 3:30, Nkechi, they go, hey, that trouser, measure 2 inches, bend down, keep.
Nice one! I like it.
5 a.m. Senior sister remember say in brother trouser. She said go wear the trouser. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what they tell now. When they don't know, as my guy enter trouser, look at it. So many people don't know, say okay, everybody they invent new style. Say my guy, manage the team where you see you, where I like that too. And then unfortunately for that matter, let me be the best man for the wedding. Ladies and gentlemen, on the wedding day, where my wife they dance. The suit with me, buy for Abba. The shoulder part, not the net. Now I'm here. My guy, when they do wedding, I say, guy, how far? He said, I say, guy, this is gonna buy. And they tell you now, you should have packed on the trouble. And my guy said, don't go for your life. Now reach much to hold my own. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for yourself. One of those days that they say, bankers must pay, anybody when you see when they wear suits like this, I mean, where the water? I need that water to sustain it. Bring us over there. Open down now. Come for this show. Are you sure you came for this show or you came to? Hello? Because in a different way they tell people say I'm available. Hello? So she's available, forget it. She's available, I know her. Now one of my team members for this show, very hard working. When I clap for her, man. Special thanks to one of the way the performance won't be, I just relate to people, tell people, almost see men, see media, ladies and gentlemen, CMC, gladiators of repute, put your hands together for them. On the Orhorha, see men. Hey! See my orgasm. Mr. John Ube. Sorry, I'm not sure the degree. Dr. John. Mama, you're welcome. Please, ladies and gentlemen, help me especially celebrate Mrs. Bolade Ogunri Ola. You're not going for her, please. And the members of this story. Yes, thank you. Let me open now. Let me just go finish. Open now, thank you. Let's see, my guy. For our man. Because I'm making one practice joke. One of those days, then, if you be back then people will worship you. You understand? They will say you too much. Those days the bankers they wear suits. Now say now they say make people see the bankers. And they will lay bankers anyhow. So now bankers now come the tie rapper, they go back. I said one go step pepper. Hello. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this woman is unique, she's dynamic, I will tell you the truth, she's 1 in a million. Please put your hands together for her. That is why they talk now. So that next show now will sponsor me. You get, so you will fit approved sponsorship. Ladies and gentlemen, where is my papa? Where is Pastor Jude or someone? Where is he? Pastor, sir, this is thy own word. Come out, sir, and sit with ministers wherever you are, sir. Mr. AY, I see you, sir. Please put your hands together for this man. In manager of ShopRite, if you know ShopRite, he will hold net. He will bail you out. The prison you will sleep. As the manager of ShopRite. Who again will never talk? I want to begin to talk to time people. Now, let me come to this side of the table. And I saw the performance won't be, you see that. Calm down, on your show. They complain for my show again. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrate my friend, my brother, way back, over 15 years. What are the people that is clap for us now? Thank you, Bodo. The voice you hear on Nigeria FM on the spot segment of every evening, I mean, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, there's this man that there's never a time I call him and he disappoints me or say no to my call. And he's here. He's here. Celebrate for free. That's good. Yes. Thank you so much. Righteousman, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together, Righteousman, ladies and gentlemen. What's up? Okay, thank you for no loss. Abban came here and made mention that he's an Bible guy, but I didn't see him being a very proud Bible person. But for me, I'm a confirmed Akwa Igbo.
Before.
But I know you now before, before. Okay, so good. So either that before or now, I don't care. What matters is what you become. That will end the important pass. As an employment man, I'll tell you the truth. If not be said, Father know about this thing. If not be said, and the chop dog by now I don't die. And I'm not. That DJ is an employment man. So as I enter the compound, I don't walk out almost middle of the compound. The next thing when I see now very gigantic dog. As the dog, at that point I can't go further. I only have an option of trying back. So I couldn't go forward. I had to summon courage and take one step back. As I put one step back, the dog take 2 steps, follow me. I said, today I don't enter. I take another one. The dog take.
Are you serious?
I take. The dog take. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I find myself out from the pedestrian gate. As I come out of the pedestrian gate, from my mind, they say that dog will not free me. Make I go my way. I don't know, say that dog will mean me. As I turn back, I see the dog come outside. Now I put race. After they run, the dog they follow me. And they run, the dog they follow me. My friend they for up, they call the dog Jack. so from this point now, I'm going to anchor the event, okay? So I've come to stay. So relax yourself. We're going to have fun to the fullest. And I promise you, value for your money. And to kickstart this segment of this event, ladies and gentlemen, if you watch